We've built over 100 websites for roofers online. If you want to know what the best roofing company websites have, then ask us, because we've built over 700 websites online that follow the best practices to be found and convert visitors into leads for roofing contracting. Roofing contractor websites have 5 characteristics that are proven to work. Here at LaunchKits, we take what's proven to work to make you a perfect website. We continue to keep it updated for one low monthly fee online so that you can keep fixing people's roofs and giving them peace of mind while we keep your website updated, giving you peace of mind. Those 5 factors that make every roofing website work are: number 1, we follow the best conversion practices, meaning we study roofing websites and we create proven templates and frameworks that work to make it easy for people visiting your site to contact you about a project or see proof that you can do what you say. Number 2, we make sure that your code structure is indexed with Google so you can be found by name, and as you continue to add blogs and helpful content to your website, it will be indexed properly with Google. Number 3, we'll make sure your website looks great on every platform, that it's fast, that it's secure on a desktop, on a mobile device, and on a tablet. Number 4, we provide unlimited updates for you so that all the fresh content you continue to learn and add to answer your customer's question is just one call, email, or text away from my team right here in central Pennsylvania. We don't work overseas. We are made and supported right here in the USA. And lastly, roofing contractor websites need to have better, faster proof than the local competitor. So we'll make sure that your website is outperforming those around you. You have all of my team here at your disposal to continue to make your roofing contractor business be found online. We can help give you strategy on how you can use other platforms, whether that's social or paid ads or organic content, to continue to help people find you online. Our proven process is just 5 days. And for under $1,000, you can go live in 5 days and be found with the perfect website. The perfect roofing contractor website is not one that you spend 6 months designing. It's one that you spend a quick, short amount of time launching with proven practices, working for your business, and then you spend the next 6 months perfecting it based on customer feedback, based on Google feedback, and based on best practices that constantly are changing. We've got your back. That's why we're the largest website design agency in the country with the most 5-star reviews. Look forward to talking to you soon.